Hi, this is my recap for today. I entered TRCH at the open. It was very strong on the pre-market. I got a lot of slippage coming in, almost 50 cents, but I managed to take a $1 partial. I missed the other part because the trade was too fast. Okay, then it came down. I stopped at the entry, and then I took it long over 940 with 10 or 15 cent stop. Then I added over 50, and I took the partials. I took one, two, three, four partials to tell 10 as a whole number. Okay, and my next trade was light. We talked about this trade at the pre-market extended stocks. I took it under 82 with 25 cent stop or 20, and I managed to get 1 point out of the trade. And I hope this trade can get for a few days because this stock is very extended. I would like to thank AddZero for helping me. As you can see in many recaps, I've been improving a lot, so thanks a lot.